Hey everyone, it's Tyler here, and welcome to another adventure.
Welcome to Auckland, New Zealand's largest and most dynamic city, a place where urban sophistication meets breathtaking natural landscapes. Known as the City of Sails, Auckland is renowned for its stunning harbors, lush parks, and volcanic cones. Today, we will explore the vibrant culture, history, and beauty of this incredible city, where adventure and relaxation come together in perfect harmony. Auckland sits between two harbors, the Waitemata and the Manukau, offering unparalleled views and an abundance of water-based activities. The Waitemata Harbor, with its sparkling blue waters, is the heart of the city, where you'll find sailboats gliding across the horizon, giving Auckland its famous nickname. Auckland's waterfront is a lively hub of activity, home to world-class restaurants, shops, and entertainment. But Auckland's beauty is not confined to the coast. The city is surrounded by 48 volcanic cones, creating a unique and diverse landscape. These extinct volcanoes, like Mount Eden and One Tree Hill, offer panoramic views of the city and its surrounding islands. From the top of these ancient formations, you can see the city's iconic skyline, dominated by the towering Sky Tower, one of the tallest structures in the Southern Hemisphere. The Sky Tower is not just a symbol of Auckland, it's also an adventure destination. Thrill seekers can experience the Skywalk, where they can walk around the tower's edge, or take the ultimate leap with the Sky Jump, a controlled base jump from 192 meters above the ground. For those looking for a more relaxed experience, the Sky Tower's observation deck provides a 360-degree view of the city, perfect for soaking in the beauty of Auckland from above. Auckland's natural beauty extends beyond the city itself. Just a short ferry ride away is Waiheek Island, a paradise of vineyards, olive groves, and golden beaches. Known as the Island of Wine, Waiheek is famous for its boutique wineries, where you can sample world-class wines while taking in breathtaking views of the ocean. The island is also a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with walking trails that wind through lush forests and along stunning coastlines. For those who crave adventure, Rangitoto Island, Auckland's most iconic volcano, is a must-visit. A 25-minute ferry ride from the city, this island offers a unique hiking experience up its black lava slopes. Once at the summit, you're rewarded with spectacular views of the Hauraki Gulf and the city skyline. Rangitoto is a testament to Auckland's geological history, and its rugged beauty contrasts with the city's urban landscape. As we explore Auckland, it's impossible not to mention the city's rich Maori heritage. Auckland is known as Tamaki Makaurau in the Maori language, meaning the desired place. For centuries, this land was a place of great significance for the Maori people, who valued its fertile land, abundant resources, and strategic location. Today, Auckland is a thriving multicultural city, where Maori culture is celebrated and woven into the fabric of everyday life. You can see this heritage in places like the Auckland War Memorial Museum, which features an extensive collection of Maori artifacts and cultural displays. Auckland's museums and galleries offer a glimpse into the city's artistic soul. The Auckland Art Gallery is home to an impressive collection of New Zealand art, from traditional Maori carvings to contemporary works by local artists. As you stroll through the gallery, you'll discover how Auckland's natural beauty and diverse cultures have inspired generations of creators. Another cultural hotspot is the Auckland War Memorial Museum, perched on a hilltop in the Auckland Domain, the city's oldest park. The museum tells the story of New Zealand's history, from its natural history to its military past. Its collection of Maori and Pacific Island artifacts is one of the most significant in the world, providing an in-depth look at the cultural heritage of the region. Speaking of the Auckland Domain, this expansive park is a green oasis in the heart of the city. With its picturesque gardens, walking trails, and scenic spots for picnicking, the Domain is a favorite retreat for locals and visitors alike. In the spring, the park's gardens burst into bloom, creating a colorful backdrop for leisurely strolls. For wildlife enthusiasts, Auckland has plenty to offer. A visit to the Auckland Zoo gives you the chance to encounter animals from around the world, including native New Zealand species like the kiwi, the country's iconic flightless bird. Nearby, the SEA Life Kelly Tarleton's Aquarium offers a fascinating look at marine life, from sharks and rays to penguins. The aquarium's underwater viewing tunnels allow you to walk through the ocean, surrounded by fish and other sea creatures. No exploration of Auckland is complete without mentioning its food scene. With its coastal location, it's no surprise that Auckland is a seafood lover's paradise. The city's many waterfront restaurants serve up fresh, locally sourced seafood, from oysters and mussels to snapper and crayfish. But Auckland's cuisine is as diverse as its people. You'll find flavors from all over the world, from authentic Asian street food to contemporary Pacific Rim fusion cuisine. For those who love to shop, Auckland offers a variety of options, from high-end boutiques in the Britomart precinct to quirky markets and independent stores in neighborhoods like Ponsonby and Parnell. These areas are also known for their vibrant nightlife, with stylish bars, live music venues, and trendy cafes. As the sun sets over Auckland, the city takes on a new kind of beauty. The lights of the city reflect off the water, creating a magical scene. Whether you're dining at a waterfront restaurant, taking a sunset cruise, or simply strolling along the harbor, the evening in Auckland is a time to relax and enjoy the city's laid-back yet sophisticated vibe. Auckland is a city of contrasts, urban and natural, historical and modern, fast-paced and tranquil. It's a place where you can hike up a volcano in the morning, sip wine by the beach in the afternoon, and enjoy world-class dining and entertainment by night. This is Auckland, a city that invites you to explore, to experience, and to fall in love with its charm and beauty.